Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into a critical security update that every Windows user and IT professional needs to know about. We'll delve into the UEFI firmware to address a critical security shift that many IT professionals are overlooking. We're moving from the legacy 2011 Secure Boot certificate to the new 2023 standard. And if you don't make this transition before the 2026 deadline, your system's physical or virtual are vulnerable to boot errors. Millions of Windows devices currently rely on a security certificate that's about to expire. This isn't just a simple bug, it's a fundamental change in how your device trusts the operating system. If your computer doesn't update its internal database to the Windows UEFI CA 2023 standard, you're at risk of potential secure boot violations and system crashes. Microsoft is rolling out this update gradually through Windows updates. Therefore, I will show you the exact PowerShell commands to check the update status, as well as the master registry key to force the update immediately. And to check the certificate currently used by the firmware, we'll use a specific PowerShell command to check the UEFI variables. Open a PowerShell window as administrator. This step is crucial because without administrator privileges, Windows will prevent us from accessing the secure boot data we need. With PowerShell now open as an administrator, we're ready to run the verification command. You'll see it right here on the screen, and for your convenience, I've placed the exact text in the video description below, so you can simply copy and paste it. This command is specifically designed to scan your system's signature database for the Windows UEFI CA 2023 string. Go ahead and paste it into your terminal and hit enter. Now, look closely at the output. You're going to see one of two results. If the result is false, it means your system is still relying on the old certificate issued in 2011. Since this certificate will expire in 2026, your system is currently in the at-risk category we discussed earlier. And if the result is true, this means your firmware has already been updated to the 2023 certificate, your system is fully future-proof, and you don't need to do anything else. Since the result in my case is false, you have two choices. You can wait and hope that a future Windows update handles the migration for you, or you can stay with me, and I'll show you how to manually trigger the update yourself to ensure your system is ready immediately. To start the update manually, we need to communicate directly with the Windows Secure Boot service layer. Enter the command shown on your screen. You'll find this command in the video description. You'll also find another command. The first one worked perfectly in my environment. However, systems vary. If you run this command and still see false, use the second command in the video description, which is a more comprehensive and mandatory command. It tells Windows to update not only the certificate database, but the entire key exchange layer as well. If the first command doesn't work, the second one in the video description almost certainly will. Now that the command has executed successfully, we need to tell Windows to perform the update immediately. To do this, run the command shown on your screen, and I'll leave it in the video description. This command manually runs a hidden system task that compiles the new 2023 certificate and prepares it to be injected into the UEFI firmware during the next boot cycle. Now, after successfully executing the command, you must restart your computer twice. Close the PowerShell window. Click Restart, and once the computer has restarted, log into the desktop, then immediately restart it a second time. The first restart tells Windows to replace the bootloader files. And the second restart is when the motherboard's UEFI system recognizes these new files and officially accepts the 2023 certificate into its secure database. Now, we need to confirm that our motherboard's firmware has officially accepted the new chain of trust. Open a PowerShell window as administrator, and we will run the same verification command we used at the beginning of this video, as shown on your screen, and execute it. If the result appears as true on your screen, this means your system has been officially updated with the 2023 Secure Boot certificate. Note, if you followed the steps but the result still shows false, don't worry, some firmware versions are more complex than others. If this happens, please go back and try step 2, the command I mentioned in the description. Follow the same steps and run the command. Then activate the scheduled task, and most importantly, and restart your computer twice. By following these manual steps, you'll ensure your Windows environment remains bootable and reliable for years to come. And if you encounter any specific errors or have questions about how this works on different devices, let's discuss them in the comments. If you found this technical explanation helpful, please click the like button. This helps the channel reach more people who might be experiencing the same startup problems. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.